everybody, I am Avinash from Origami TV. Today I am going to make bird house, with cardboards. So what we need is just some waste cardboards, this Hot Wheels wheels thingy where the cars go, and some grass. Oh shit. Small boxes, microphone, not useful. These things, you can make these things, you can make these things at home. I made another video today only, so you see that and make these things. These things are also useful. Chemical and scissors. So now let's start with the cardboard. Cut off this side part, this part fully with a scissor. Cutting is very get like this. Then what you do is take this race car thingy, you keep it in one place here. Then like this, it comes like this, join like this, then you get something like this. Now what you do is this thing you close it like this. Then now you should take the grass slowly. Take a long strip, somewhere about this much, cut it. Now close this. Now after you close, so it looks somewhat like this. Now if any grass is fallen down, take it, keep it up over here, close it properly, and if grass more it came out, just push it upwards, okay, or else let it be like that. Then I told you, then we get like this one thing. Then these things are there, no? I'm going to need one, so I'm going to remove one. Okay, this is the thing fully. Now 1 minute, I want to go get something in. I'm sorry because I went to get some rice. Oh shit, it fell on my hand. So you take this rice thing, just put carefully under it at one corner. Then after you put it, it somewhat looks like this. Rice over here, the thing over here. First when you cut it, you got this part, no? this part, bended part, you cut it. This thing. Cover it slowly like this. Take the tape. Where's the tape? No. Yeah. Here's the tape. Just open it. Why don't I remember just opening it? I got it. Okay. Take little amount of strip like that. Cut it into half. Like that. Attach one side this tape like that, and other side also you attach the tape. And now it somewhat looks like this. Now there's a roof, now there's sides thing. Now you take the scissors, make holes at the sides like this, make some holes, and your birdhouse is ready. And you take a small cup or something like this plastic thing, keep off inside, pour water. Now I don't have, but if I get, okay, I got one. Yes. Here a small cup filled with water, keep it inside it, and that's it. A birdhouse is ready with all things in it. And we kept holes now. You can keep thread and you can hang it so that birds can come in and sit. So please like and subscribe. I am Avinash from Origami TV, and please like and subscribe. Click on the bell icon for more notifications in future. Thank you.